Concept Kitchen Makeovers are the specialists in kitchen, bathroom and laundry makeovers. Unlike many conventional kitchen renovation companies, we offer a more affordable yet high quality and innovative alternative to the traditional method of completely demolishing and rebuilding. If you're generally happy with the layout and flow of your kitchen, bathroom or laundry, but dream of it being a more modern, practical and stylish space, CKM has the perfect solution. Our simple, stress-free process combines premium, durable surfaces with expert installation techniques to easily transform your tired, old-fashioned and outdated areas into that modern look you've always wished for. Servicing locals of Mornington Peninsula for almost 20 years, our highly experienced team are proudly recognised as the makeover company of choice, with clients appreciating our honesty, integrity, in-depth knowledge and commitment to excellence. Concept Kitchen Makeovers was born from the vision of creating a kitchen transformation company that could provide high-quality, beautiful kitchens with a genuine cost and time saving for their customers. We achieve this by building upon the existing kitchen structure with a unique quartz surfacing material. The result is a transformed, modern kitchen in just one day. The process begins with a full measure and colour consultation in order to provide you with a quote. Once this is accepted, we place an order for the materials and book in a date for the makeover. On installation day, we begin by preparing your existing surfaces and area, making any structural adjustments as necessary or requested. We then use an innovative benchtop revamping technique to install quartz surfacing material over the top of your existing surface. This Australian-made earthstone benchtop has over 93% quartz combined with high-performance acrylic resin and multi-layered glass fibre mesh, making it maintenance-free, long-lasting and resistant to stains, impacts, chips, cracking, heat, scratching and absorption. We guarantee this with a 12-year warranty on our benchtops. Finally, we replace your outdated kitchen panels, doors and drawer fronts with your choice from the latest ranges and colours to complete the transformation of your modern kitchen, bathroom or laundry. We take great pride in our work and treat your home and project as if it was our own. Any cutting or messy work is completed outside to minimise disturbance, and our installers clean up after themselves.
We have recently had our kitchen remodelled by Concept Kitchen Makeover. We are extremely pleased with the quality of the finish and the style of the change. We have appreciated the helpful and courteous advice during the entire process. It was a pleasure to deal with both Barb and Neil.
Let Concept Kitchen Makeovers take the stress out of your next project with a transformation that is on time and on budget, and we'll guarantee a look that will amaze you and your friends. Contact us today to book your free design consultation.